Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So first of all, check if you are connected to internet. This problem might be because your internet connection is maybe weak, but if you are already connected to internet and still have this problem, then maybe try to do this fix. So first of all, go ahead and leave Instagram and then go to your phone settings. Once you do that, go ahead and search for apps or applications. Then once you're here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed apps on your device. So right now, go ahead and search in this list for Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the settings related to Instagram. So right here, you're gonna find your notifications. Here, you're gonna find permissions, screen time, remove permissions if app is unused, set as default, mobile data, battery, and storage. So right now, go ahead and click on storage. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find two options. Here, you're gonna find the option to clear data and also to clear cache. So right now, go ahead and click on clear cache. And then once you clear your cache, go back to Instagram and then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.